This is an emergency alert from the National Weather Service. Issued at 6:25 a.m. Time is issued at clock and expired at 2. So I'm a lot late because I went to sleep a while ago, but keep this going. The National Weather Service of New York has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfield and Westchester County. Fairfield County is in southern Connecticut and Westchester County is in southeastern New York. This is going to be in effect until 2 a.m. And it's going to be at 10:41 p.m. The Doppler radar does furnish heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Now, additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Canaan, Litchfield, Wilton, Weston, Reading, Bedford, and Georgetown. Be especially cautious at night when it's hard to recognize the dangers of flooding.